Hello mga ka-travelers! So today, pupunta kami ng Hong Kong to celebrate my hubby and daughter's birthday. Our flight is 5:55 AM pa pero nakarating na kami ng airport around 12:30 AM. Then pagpasok ko sa airport, bubungad agad yung counter ng bayaran ng travel tax. We paid 1,620 each for adult and 810 for kid. Pumila agad kami sa check-in baggage para i-drop off yung luggages namin and to print our boarding passes. Medyo mahaba yung pila that time kasi peak season na. And here's my daughter, super excited.
Where are you going?
Disneyland.
Are you
That's
excited?
That's my birthday.
Your birthday? Are you excited?
Yes.
Then, after ng drop-off, diretso immigration. Tumambay at kumain muna kami sa Marhaba Lounge habang nag-aantay for our flight since may pre-access naman yung cards namin. Sayang naman kung di magagamit, di ba? And here are the list of cards na may pre-access sa lounge nila. Then around 4:30 AM, pumunta na kami sa boarding gate dahil walang boarding announcement sa loob ng lounge. So be mindful sa time ng flight nyo kasi baka maiwan kayo ng plane. Nauna na kami dito sa loob kasi yung boarding group namin is naka number 1 since may kid kaming kasama. Saka para makapagpahinga na din agad si Ilian dahil wala pa nga kaming tulog simula kanina. Kaso tignan nyo naman, nangunguna pa.
Excited na to. Pwede mo kasi po.
Abay, hindi na.
Tas dito, medyo naiinip na siya. Kasi bakit daw ang tagal umandan ng airplane. Kaya, ayan, nakatulog na silang mag-ama kaaantay. Tas dito, nung pa-take off na, gigisingin ko sana si Elia. Kaso ayaw niya nang gumising, kaya pinabayaan ko na. And then, we're here na in Hong Kong.
Welcome to Hong Kong, my love!
Then, bago kayo makapunta ng immigration ng Hong Kong and dun sa baggage reclaim, is kailangan nyong mag-ride nung train nila papunta doon. Every 2 minutes to dumadating. After namin makuha yung mga luggages namin, is dumiretso agad kami sa Bank of China to withdraw cash. We tried to withdraw using our GoTime sa HSBC and may charge siyang 200 pesos per transaction. Pero dito sa Bank of China is free of charge siya using your GoTime card. Then bumili kami ng octopus card sa MTR customer service. It cost us 200 HKD each for adult and 100 for kid. Pero 150 lang yung ma-reload sa adult and 15 naman for kid because yung 50 HKD is allotted for deposit na ma-refund mo after mo ibalik yung card. 11 HKD naman yung madededuct sa card once na ipaparefund mo lahat yung natitirang laman ng octopus card mo. Then we decided to go to Citygate Outlet and Ngongpin Village. Hanapin nyo lang yung bus terminus, then S1 bus. Once nakita ninyo na yung Citygate Outlet Mall, doon na kayo mismo bababa sa Tung Chung Station Bus Terminus. Nasa ilalim lang yun ng Citygate Mall. And that's it. See you on our next video. Bye!